3 reasons to drink dandelion root tea for health. Dandelion root tea benefits health in multiple ways, from promoting kidney and liver health to soothing digestion and alleviating constipation. The key to the health benefits of dandelion root tea is in its components, particularly dandelion's unique content of nutrients and antioxidants, such as vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, calcium, magnesium, manganese, iron, and silica. Dandelion root also has high potassium levels. By drinking this tea regularly, you can expect improved liver function, increased kidney function, and better digestion. Here are 3 reasons to drink dandelion root tea for health. Rich in essential minerals. Although dandelion root tea contains many beneficial compounds, it's particularly rich in vitamins and minerals such as manganese, potassium, copper, iron, and zinc. These minerals are required by our bodies for a number of biological processes because potassium helps lower blood pressure. Manganese helps with brain function. Copper is necessary for red blood cell formation. Zinc is good for your immune system. And iron boosts red blood cell production. Many adults aren't getting enough of these essential minerals because they aren't consuming enough fruits and vegetables, or they have digestive issues that make them unable to absorb nutrients properly. Treats insomnia. If you wake up in the middle of night and can't get back to sleep, drinking dandelion root tea might help put you back in dreamland. Several studies suggest that dandelion can be a natural way to promote healthy sleeping patterns. One study conducted at Michigan State University found that when 20 people with mild insomnia consumed dandelion tea before bed, they fell asleep faster and spent more time in slow-wave sleep. Helps with weight loss. Not only is dandelion root tea a rich source of antioxidants, it can also aid in weight loss. According to cancer research, dandelion root tea has been proven effective at reducing waist circumference in participants by 6%. Plus, there are many studies that show how antioxidants like those found in dandelion root tea can help with weight management and prevent obesity. In one study from Journal of Functional Foods, test subjects lost an average of 4 pounds over 6 weeks when taking just 500 milligrams of active polyphenols from dandelion root every day. If you're looking for natural ways to support healthy weight loss, incorporating dandelion root tea into your diet could be a simple yet effective way to do so. Enjoy your cup of dandelion root tea today.